Hey guys, it's Camille, back for another Camille's Choice, and this week we are hitting the heart of downtown Appleton to try out some beer, some food, and some good times right at Appleton Beer Factory on College Ave. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's get this video started. We've got some wait. Don't forget about me. What's up guys? Katie's back. Happy to be back. Katie is back. How could we ever forget about her? So, we have two beautiful beer flights that we are going to dive right into. Katie has never tried any of Appleton Beer Factory's beers before, so she's going to be pleasantly happy about everything that she is drinking today. So, we're going to go through the lineup for you guys, have our first initial reactions, and then we're gonna return back and let you guys know what we like the best. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, that tastes purple.
Yeah, look at that.
Wow.
Purple blue.
Purple blue. That's good though. Three. Cheers.
That one had a lot of flavor in it.
Last one.
Cheers.
Telling my favorite is kind of hard. This one was literally like super dark, but it was like ice cream almost. Like very, very smooth and sweet. Very delicious. But I do have to say, I think it's a toss-up between these two for the favorite. I really like this one. It's got a lot of flavor to it.
I think my favorite has to be between these two. This one has a lot more of like a sweeter kind of kick to it, and then also kind of like
like banana.
Something.
Yeah. Some sort of fruit.
But I like more fruity kind of flavors, so that's where like my taste buds kind of go.
Well, they were all really good, but we both really enjoyed this one. Cheers. Cheers. Alright guys, so after a couple brew samples, Katie ended up getting a full of the Chasing Sunshine sour beer. But we did get some appetizers, so we got the jalapeno brats and bites platter, which looks like there's pretzel bites, jalapenos, bacon pieces, onions, everything that you could ever like want in a little like fun, snacky platter right in here. Wisconsinite, beautiful. And then we got some of their new Parmesan garlic jumbo wings. Those things are huge, but they look delicious. They are hand breaded for every order, which is a beautiful thing to hear. So we are gonna split some apps and tell you all what we think. Cheers. Oh man. This is so good. Oh, I can't even wait. Oh my god, these are really flipping good. So to follow up with Katie's wing excitement, this was also delicious. It's like the brats are definitely a genuine Wisconsin brat, which I actually found out they just got a new one. So if you think you know this platter, you don't. It's got the nice amount of spicy, a little bit of tang. It has like the carbs from these pretzel bites, which are like perfectly doughy, very, very delicious. Lots of cheese, lots of flavor. Those bacon bits add some of that meat texture. Bam, you got a lot of good stuff going on in here.
What I really like, I'm a crispy person, so the inside is really, soft and tender, and the outside is nice and crunchy and crispy, and it is so good. And it comes with like a ranch kind of dipping sauce, but it's not like an overpowering ranch sauce. It actually like tastes very, very good with it. And the Parmesan garlic on top of it isn't like meshing with it in like a gross way. It is absolutely amazing.
All right, gang, here we are with our entrees. They are well waited for and they look delicious. So on my end, I definitely have a delicious salmon salad with a grilled salmon fillet. We got tomatoes, carrots, onions, boiled egg, and some ranch dressing, and then just some harvest greens.
Okay, so what I ended up getting was some fish tacos. So it has haddock and it's beer battered to order, and I'm a fish fry lover, so I'm super excited about this. And then it also has chipotle ranch on it, pico de gallo, which is my favorite. And then it also comes with a choice of sides, so I got the group of fries because who doesn't love a good french fry? So I'm gonna go ahead
And we're gonna dig in. All right, y'all. I'll start because this salmon is flaky and it's flavorful and it's crispy. It is everything you want in a grilled salmon fillet. Seriously, it's not too fishy. The salad greens are like plentiful and like it's not like the mixed greens, which can sometimes distract, I think, from the salmon. But like the toppings too is perfect. Like you got the carrots, the tomatoes, the onion, and the boiled eggs. You got like the perfect plethora of toppings here. It's a very nice light dish for somebody that's, you know, looking for something a little bit lighter on the menu, especially after you've been eating some appetizers, maybe drinking some beer. It's definitely very delicious.
So my fish taco was literally delicious. I'm gonna feed off what she said about like, kind of the fishy taste. This doesn't have just like it doesn't taste like a fishy taco. Everything that they have on it, the pico is literally so good. The chipotle ranch adds a little bit of kind of a kick to it. So if you like a little spiciness, this is really good and it's not overpowering. I like the kind of spice just in the taste, not necessarily just like eating a jalapeno. So if that's what you like, this is spot on for that. And I didn't even get to try the blue fries yet. So let's go ahead and...
Literal potatoes, I'm not even kidding. I've had them before and their french fries are to die for.
It literally tastes like they like cut up a potato and seasoned it and fried it.
Literally.
Really good.
Very homemade, delicious, perfectly seasoned. Their food here is just out of the park.
So are everything.
And for dessert, which isn't exactly a dessert, but it's a dessert in Wisconsin, Katie and I are going to split their garbage grilled cheese, which I kid you not has literally all the cheeses in the world that you could ever ask for. Literally has cheese on the outside as well. So we got some white cheddar, we got some Gouda, we got some pepper jack, we got some mayo, tomato, bacon, lettuce, and jalapenos between 2 slices of their Bread Smith rustic Italian bread encrusted in shredded Parmesan and then topped with 2 olives. I mean, holy crap. Look at that. That's like a delicacy.
I think each side is a meal in itself.
So seriously, guys, everything tonight was amazing. Appleton Beer Factory has some serious hidden gems. Their beer is so versatile. They're constantly rotating. Their atmosphere in here is amazing. It's exactly what you want when you're coming to a brew pub style place. Delicious food. Everything tonight was seriously fantastic. We loved all of our dishes.
Yes, I love the wings, you know, all the meat on there. The servers, they are very attentive. And if you have any questions, like for example, in the beginning, Camille mentioned that I haven't tried any of the beers here. And he was like, what do you like? Let's try and figure something out, you know? So this is a great place to come and sit and either have a meal or just honestly hang out and chill.
Yeah, have a drink, hang out with your friends. They do super fun stuff on Sundays for Packer games. They have lots of fun appetizers. So definitely come and check it out if you haven't. Right on College Avenue. So, cheers. Thank you, Appleton Beer Factory.
I think that's a cute ending.
Yo, that shit was spicy.